What if I told you you're only 21 days away from a completely different life? Not a clickbait, not a trend. This is science-backed. Human behavior can be rewired in just 3 weeks. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You've just been stuck in patterns that no longer serve you. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to reset your mindset, rewire your habits, and rebuild the version of yourself that's been buried under distractions, fear, and self-doubt. This video isn't for entertainment. It's your awakening. The power of neuroplasticity. Your brain is not fixed. It's plastic, flexible. Every time you repeat a thought or behavior, you carve a neural pathway. After 21 consistent days, that path becomes a highway. Start feeding your mind positive routines, not passive scroll. Start speaking what you want, not what you fear. The change doesn't start big. It starts daily. The 21-day reset plan. Here's how you take your life back. White heavy checkmark. Day 1-7. Detox your inputs. Cut out toxic people, doom scrolling, processed food. Replace them with books, walks, water, and silence. Journal one truth about yourself daily, not filtered, just raw. White heavy checkmark. Day 8-14. Build rituals, not goals. Wake up and sleep same time. Meditate 5-10 minutes. One daily non-negotiable. Exercise, reading, or learning a new skill. White heavy checkmark. Day 15-21. Become unrecognizable. Visualize your highest self, then act like it. Don't speak your fears. Speak your plans. Do the hard things first. No more excuses, just action. You're not behind. You're just distracted. Stop comparing yourself to curated highlight reels. In 21 days, you can reprogram your mind, clean your space, heal your heart, rebuild your discipline. Everyone wants a better life. Few are willing to go offline for it. Be the few. This is your moment. Forget January 1st. Forget Mondays. You're a day one and beats day right now. After this video, you don't need permission. You need commitment. In 21 days, your mindset will shift. Your habits will evolve. Your future self will thank you. You're not stuck. You're being tested. And the world is waiting for the unfiltered, unapologetic, rebuilt version of you. Above the version that's no longer owned by fear, distraction, or past mistakes. This is your blueprint. It only takes 21 days to unfu your life. Let's go.